2026 Guide to Business Registration in Brunei. Are you planning to start a business in Brunei in 2026, but feeling confused about registration, tax, compliance, and employee setup? One wrong step can delay your business for months, or even lead to penalties. In this video, many people think starting a business is just about filling out one form. But in Brunei, business registration is not an event, it's a process. You must get the structure right, set up tax correctly, comply with government regulations, and register employees properly. If you do this right from day one, your business will be protected and ready to grow. Step 1. Company name and registration. The first step is company name reservation and legal registration. You need to ensure your business name is available and approved in the government system. Once approved, the company must be properly incorporated. Even small mistakes at this stage can create serious compliance issues later. Step 2. Tax setup. The second and most critical step is tax setup. Your business must be connected to the tax account and portal before you operate legally. Many new founders delay this step, and that often results in penalties, audits, and unnecessary stress later on. Step 3. Compliance and documentation. Next comes statutory and compliance setup. This includes corporate documents, director responsibilities, annual filings, and government reporting. If these are not set up correctly from the beginning, your company can quickly become non-compliant. Step 4. Staff and payroll setup. If you plan to hire employees, now or in the future, staff registration is critical. Payroll setup, social contributions, and employee compliance must follow legal requirements. Mistakes here can block work permits, hiring approvals, and business expansion. Common mistakes new founders make. Here are 3 major mistakes we see new founders make. 1. Trying to do everything themselves. 2. Choosing the cheapest service providers. 3. Delaying compliance tasks. Any one of these can slow down your business growth significantly. This is why professional corporate services like Mercium matter. Entrepreneurs should not be running between multiple government offices or filling out dozens of forms. Your registration, tax, and compliance should be handled properly, in one place. If you found this guide helpful, you can contact Mercium using the link in the description. Getting professional guidance is not an expense, it's protection for your business.